everybody, today we'll be going through the while loop. So for the while loop, we will need two things. The first thing we will need is actually a condition, and the second thing we need is to update so that we can check the condition and break out of the while loop. Let's try out the while loop. So the first thing we will just have to type while and have a bracket, and in this bracket we will actually have the condition. So for example, I less than 10. And let's initialize I. So int I equals to 0. So now that we have this piece of code, let's do something in the while loop. So let's print out I. The second step is to actually do the update. We can do so by I++. This means that I will increase by 1 for each iteration in this while loop. As you can see, I is less than 10. So I starts from 0 and it enters this while loop. It prints out I equals to 0. Then it increases I by 1. So I will be 1. And it goes back to check this condition. 1 is less than 10. It will go in the while loop. It will print out 1. And then it will increase I by 1 again to be 2. And then it will carry on to check this condition, 2 is less than 10. And it will keep doing so until I is equals to 10. It will check 10 is not less than 10. It will break out of the while loop and it will exit. So we can add in a print statement here which says done. Okay, let's try to run this code and see what's the output. So as you can see, I prints out from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it will not print out 10 because 10 is not less than 10. So it exits the while loop and it prints done. So that's how you do the while loop.